Do you wanna put it back on the charger? Or
I don't know. That's not the issue. It's not the low battery.
Yeah.
It's something else. Yeah.
Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah, I don't think it's the battery.
Yeah, hopefully we can figure it out.
Yeah, he's trying to figure it out right now.
Yeah.
But we can only do so much because we don't know anything about the auto car part.
Oh. Huh? Are
We
you
only
guys?
work on the body.
Oh, you're not like a shop.
Yeah.
Sure. Oh, nice. You guys got.
So you guys drive it up on there? You guys drive it up and we're starting?
No, we didn't do it.
Oh, you didn't do
The
it?
facility, the two people that loaded us, they just parked it, and gave me the key, and said, "Have a good day." But yeah, the only thing he told me is that there's a box, a fuel box, something that needs, like the door needs to be closed.
Yeah.
If it senses that it's open, it won't start. So,
Right, yeah.
other than that, he didn't say anything.
The Nelson, meantime, you charge the tank head? Will he get that?
Could it be that this box needs to be closed too?
No.